In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to e-sign with Pandadoc, a fantastic tool for handling your electronic documents smoothly. If you're ready, let's dive right in and get started on e-signing your documents. First, your journey begins at the Pandadoc homepage. You can access this by simply typing in the website address into your browser. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see the dashboard. This is your central hub where all your document activities take place. Here you can manage, create, and access your documents with ease. Next, head over to the Documents section. This is where all your documents are stored. Think of it as your digital filing cabinet. Here you can browse through your files until you find the one you want to sign. If the document is new or not yet stored, you'll need to upload it onto the platform to proceed. Now, once you've found the document, click on it to open it up. This will allow you to view the content and prepare for the signing process. With your document open, it's time to add your signature. To do this, click on the Signature option, which is typically located in the toolbar. You'll need to drag this signature field to the appropriate spot on your document where the signing is required. This action is intuitive as it lets you visually ensure the signature field is perfectly positioned. Now, on to personalizing the signature. Click on the Signature button again, and you'll see several options like Type, Draw, and Upload. Let's explore these, starting with Type. Here you can type in your name and it will automatically generate a digital signature. This is incredibly useful for a quick and formal signing. If you prefer a more personal touch, click on Draw. This feature allows you to freehand draw your signature using your mouse or trackpad. It's the next best thing to physically signing a piece of paper, capturing the uniqueness of your own handwriting. Alternatively, if you have a specific signature image that you've previously created or scanned, you can use the Upload option. Just click on Upload and select your pre-existing signature file from your device. This ensures consistency if you use the same signature across different platforms or documents. Finally, with your signature in place, complete the process by clicking on Accept and Sign. This crucial step confirms your signature and finalizes the e-signing procedure. It signifies that you've electronically consented to the content of the document, much like signing with pen and paper. There you have it, an easy, step-by-step guide to e-signing with Pandadoc. With these tools and processes, managing your documents digitally can be more efficient and less time-consuming. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful digital tips.